Hey there person, welcome to this video. My name is Pizza Bubble and this is video number 6 in my animated Python course. Today we'll get right into it. I've mentioned strings before a lot and we've learned how to create and slice them. But do you know what else you can do with them? There are hundreds of methods in the Python library to do with strings, but I'll cover a few of them. Before I show you these though, I need you to understand a property of strings, called immutability. Immutability basically means something that you can't change. Im for not, mutable comes from mutating, meaning change. So, not changeable. Is changeable a word? I digress. Here, let's make a variable called word, which is set to sausage. Now, we've learnt in a previous video how to index a string, so let's grab the letter A. Word 1. However, instead of just getting it, how about we change the A to U to make a sausage? Just like we could change a variable. Word 1 equals the string U. Wait, of course, strings are immutable, remember? So you can't change it like this. However, you'll find that it is very possible with lists, which are mutable. Now, remember append and pop, those list thingies? These are methods, and there are also methods like these for strings. Since strings are immutable, these functions aren't in place. In place means that it changes the string when you use it. These functions create new strings that you can assign to variables. One of them is called upper. All it does is lift everything to uppercase letters in a string, as you might have guessed. Look, try it. Type word.upper. You'll probably get a screaming sausage. Upper is just generally used when you want to get input from the user and make it capital letters. However, lower tends to be more used. It works the same way as upper, but to see the effect, we'll need to make another variable called capital word. Inside, we'll put a screaming sausage. Then, call capital word.lower. And you should see that now we have a regular lowercase sausage. Lower is usually implemented to normalize something when comparing it. In other words, let's say you made a search engine called Boogle, totally not related to Google. So you wanted people to be able to search up web articles by the title or content inside. The thing is, computers are dumb and very literal. If you search up how to craft a diamond sword, and there was an article with how to craft a diamond sword in the title, it wouldn't come up. Python is case sensitive, so how to craft a diamond sword isn't the same as how to craft a diamond sword in title case. This is when you might want to use lower to make it all lowercase, and Python would see this similarity, so you get the right website. Fun fact, Google's massive warehouse of websites uses Python to work. There is another, or rather, two more. Capitalize and title. Title turns your string into title case. Let's test it out with Sausage Man. Now, it's obviously all lowercase. If you use title on it, superhero.title, you'll find that the beginning of every word is capitalized. That's the proper name for a supernatural sausage. Now, with capitalize, it's basically upper but on the first character only. Try using capitalize on Sausage Man. See? Great! Those are some basic string methods that will pop up a lot eventually. Great job learning these and see you next lesson. Do the Conda quiz too!